G'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady here, hope you are doing well. Now what you're seeing on your screen didn't come from my day of car spotting, but what follows is pretty much a typical day of car spotting out in the countryside. Well, except that I see a Toyota 2000 GT getting restored. That was kind of unusual. Anyway, there are a few common themes that pop up. I think it'll be of some interest, so let's just see what happens. G'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady here. Thank you for joining me for another WasabiCars video. Hope you are doing well. And today, right now, it's Saturday morning. It's a beautiful day. And I'm going to be doing some car spotting today. There's a couple of rare and interesting cars. Probably no broad appeal, but they look really, really cool. So anyway, with a bit of luck, I will track them down. Yeah, a bit of bad luck there. I couldn't get permission to take photos of the car, would you believe? So a long way. I came a long way for no reason. Disappointing. But I did see this Hakosuka. I just saw the nose of it in a garage, and the guy was very friendly. And he suggested I check out another place, and I'm on my way there now, so fingers crossed we can see something interesting there. Well, another interesting episode. I was going to that place and I spotted another garage with some interesting rusty cars, this DELUXE, and I said, oh, excuse me, you know, gave him the regular spiel, I like taking photos of rusty cars, may I? And he said, oh, well, we're just about to leave. That is what they say in Japan. They sort of roundaboutly say, no, you cannot, you're not welcome here, go away. But they don't say that. So thank you very much. Buddy. And would you believe it is now that our story gets real interesting, because I spotted 3 absolute wasabi classics in 2 locations right next to the same 7-Eleven. Wasabi car 1 of 3 is this 1965 or 66 Toyota Corona 1600S. I've never seen this grade before, and it turns out this was the first Corona with front wheel disc brakes. And so after seeing this red Corona coupe, I thought I was done for the day, so I went back to the 7-Eleven and bought myself a nice iced coffee. And as I drank it, I was staring over the back fence to some other junkyard, and I thought I saw what could be the front corner of a Prince Gloria. I like the look of these a lot. So when I was asking permission to take photos of this gem, I spotted a Toyota 2000 GT in the garage, and I said, oh, you've got a KOUKI 2000 GT there. What can I say? He was impressed. So I did sneakily record my conversation with the guy fixing the car. It's not his car, it belongs to a customer. So that's why I did it sneakily. Now, I would love to be able to add subtitles to our conversation, but that's really tricky and time consuming and really just hard. But let me recall what was said. The car's been sitting there for about 6 months, and he's only just started to do some work on it. It's not there for a full restoration, just to tidy up. The previous restoration, they put a ton of filler in the body panels, just horrific, terrible. Anyway, he's chipping all that crap out, and he's gonna, you know, tidy up the panels as best he can. As I said, the owner is not interested in a full restoration, just a tidy up. Well, I have really enjoyed putting this video together, let me tell you, and please leave a comment, let me know what you thought, which car did you like. Leave a comment, that would be great, I will enjoy reading those. And to Patreons, there will be a winner announced for last month, and there will be a new prize for this month. Go over to Patreon and see what that is. To everyone, thank you once again, take it easy and goodbye.